This is Awka, the capital city of Anambra State in southeastern Nigeria.
Today, it's the political and administrative heart of the state.
Long before it became the capital in 1991. The city is known for its rich culture and traditions,
many of which have been preserved and passed down through generations. That strong sense of identity is part of what makes Awka unique.
For centuries, Awka was also renowned for its skilled blacksmiths. Their craftsmanship was so highly regarded that people traveled from different parts of the region to trade for the tools and metal works they produced. It's one of the reasons Awka earned a reputation long before modern developments began to shape the city.
Today, Awka is growing rapidly. New roads, businesses, hotels, restaurants, schools, clubs, and residential developments continue to transform the city.
Yet, even with all this growth, it has managed to hold on to the character and heritage that have defined it for generations. Over the next few minutes, we'll take a drive through Awka streets, neighborhoods, and landmarks, and get a closer look at the city as it is today.
One of the first things you'll notice about Awka is its balance. It's a city where growth doesn't erase history. Modern buildings stand comfortably beside older neighborhoods. Busy roads lead into quieter streets, and everyday life unfolds at a pace that feels both lively and unhurried. It's this blend of progress and tradition that gives Awka its unique character. This is Aroma Junction, one of the best-known landmarks in Awka. If you've ever visited Awka City, chances are that you've passed through here. It is one of the busiest intersections, connecting several major roads and serving as a gateway to different parts of Awka. Now we're heading down to Ifite. Awka is also an important educational center. The presence of Anambra University and other institutions brings students from different parts of Nigeria, adding energy, diversity, and innovation to the city. Ifite is a part of Awka that mainly students reside in. This is because of its close proximity to Anambra University. So Ifite is mostly known as a student area. Now we're heading up to Aroma from Awka, and above is the flyover that was built recently to connect Awka town, which includes Ameyi, Ekoka and its environs, straight to Ifite. And this is a very good thing that has been constructed in Awka, because this will reduce the risk of accidents from people crossing the express at Aroma, and also making it easier for people to commute and connect to these different places.
One thing that's hard to miss is how much the city has grown over the years. New commercial buildings, hotels, shopping plazas, and residential developments continue to reshape the landscape, reflecting Awka's steady expansion and growth. By the right is Thameside, one of Awka's busiest and most vibrant areas. It's a lively commercial district with shopping plazas, restaurants, cafes, banks, and businesses that keep this part of the city active throughout the day. Just off Thameside is Abakaliki Street, one of Awka's popular social spots, lined with lounges, clubs, local bars, and restaurants. It is where the city comes alive after dark and a favorite hangout for many residents and visitors. We're now at Kwata Junction, one of Awka's busiest and fastest growing areas. Around here, you'll find popular stores like Radopin Mall, Zara stores, making this a go-to destination for shopping and everyday essentials. Just a short distance from here is Solution Fun City, one of Awka's newest leisure and family attractions. It's part of the city's growing entertainment scene and another sign of how Awka is evolving beyond being just an administrative capital. We will be exploring Solution Fun City in my next video, so if you don't want to miss it, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So this is Awka, and straight down leads to Book Foundation, which is also kind of a student area. We also have immigration here in Awka. So this is the Enugu-Onitsha Expressway. So on this route, you're going to come across Stanel, which is a multi-purpose outlet. After then, you're heading towards the prestigious Nnamdi Azikiwe University. And then after Nnamdi Azikiwe University, you have Amansi. And this same road takes you straight to Enugu State. As you've seen throughout this video, Awka is much more than just the capital city of Anambra State. It's a city shaped by tradition, driven by progress, and filled with everyday moments that makes it unique. I hope this drive gave you a closer look at what makes Awka such a special place. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if there's another city or destination you'd like to see on my channel, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.